In this video, I'm going to show you how to submit time in QuickBooks Time. Now, the first thing you want to do, you want to go to over here on the left where it says Time Entries, and then you want to click on Add Time inside Timesheets. And from here, you just want to go ahead and select the team member, and then here you want to do time in, time out, or of course duration, up to you. I'm just going to do time in, time out over here, and then I'm going to set the time in, and I'm actually going to go for the past. So I'm going to go for 24th of May 2026, and I'm going to do, let's say I came at, I'm just going to do 11 a.m., and then I'm going to do the same day, so it's going to be the 24th of May, and I'm going to do it till, let's just do like maybe 5 p.m., okay, like this. There we go, total hours are 6. Then you also have to select the customer code over here if that's relevant for you, and of course you have to select your equipment and then the work type as well. Now of course, depending on your own company, you may have to put in some more different things in here. I'm just going to leave this as it is and click on save. Now whenever you do this, as you can see, you've successfully submitted time in QuickBooks Time. Okay, so I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.